everyone! I'm just here, mag-video lang ako quickly. What's inside my go bag for essential oil. So this bag, I use this whenever a mom requests for an oil class or if we need to go somewhere. Okay, so this is my go bag. So I got this bag, this white bag, this pretty bag from the Bridge to Gold incentive way back in 2020. So what's inside my bag? So here I have alcohol, I have B6 carrier oil, I have 15 ml here, and I also have roller bottles. So I have empty and I also have roller bottles which I use. Bakit merong empty bottles? Kasi syempre, if they want to, if my mommy friends want to learn about essential oils and how to make blends, I should have a ready empty bottle of, an empty roller bottle. And then there are other 15 ml here, like peppermint. Why peppermint? Because we also make inhalers. So I have inhaler, lots of inhalers here. This one, and then the wick. So let's make one. So ganito ako ka-impulsive. So let's make one. This is the copper, this is the wick, and this is the container. Why inhalers? Syempre, growing up, I used to really depend on inhalers, and then I don't like not sure about the ingredients in it. So we use essential oils, which is the only ingredient that we use here. You can buy this through Shopee or through me. So let's put the bag here. So here's the way. Patakan natin ang peppermint. I love to start with 10 drops. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10 drops of peppermint. So ganun lang siya kadali. So yeah. So 15 ml has about 280 to 300 drops of peppermint, of essential oil peppermint. And then so that's the DIY inhaler. And then what's inside my bag? Sorry. I also have lots of essential oils, of course. Yeah, ganito siya. So 5 ml. These are oils from the premium experience set. And the 30-day guide. And of course, I have the premium experience set. The diffuser. So that when my friends want to try the essential oils and the diffuser, at least meron na sila matry. So the diffuser, why diffusing? Kasi the mechanism that we use through that we do with diffusing is bali, patak-patak lang siya ng essential oils into water dito. And then it disperses the the powerful and the therapeutic benefits of essential oils into the room air. So whole family na mag-benefit with just a few drops of essential oil. So this is the premium experience set. So let's open it. So kanin siya. So I speak Bisaya. Pag open na to makita na to you will see the 10 essential oils here and then the carrier oil. Why we use carrier oil? Because the carrier oil dilutes the essential oils, because one drop takes a long way. So in order for us to spread the essential oil into the part of the body, especially our skin, mas spread siya if mayroong carrier oil. Okay? So that's B6. B6 because it is a vegetable oil complex with six carrier oils. The ingredients with sesame oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond, wheat oil, sunflower seed oil, and the olive fruit oil. Yes. So that's the carrier oil. And when you make blends, meron na din siyang the bottles that I mentioned earlier. So meron na siya for free. So how does the essential oil works? I'll just share briefly how I use this for my family. So lavender, I use lavender especially for my kids. Yeah. So lavender, I love this for my skin, for my kids' skin. It's actually the Swiss Army knife of essential oil. So what else? I like this to relieve allergies and kind of oil. So I dilute it with carrier oil and put it on a roller. So there's what we call LLPFC, lavender, lemon, peppermint, frankincense, copaiba. So or you can just use lavender, lemon, peppermint for small kids. We use that and then we add it into the roller. I showed you already. You can add 5 drops in a roller bottle, each of the lavender, lemon, and peppermint, and frankincense, and then you add that into this bottle, into a bottle, and then fill the rest of the bottle with carrier oil. And then what else? So next is, so that's lavender. Very relieving sa mga sipunon, LLPF or LLPFC if you have copaiba for those old members. And then next is peppermint. I like peppermint because it's minty, and then it's actually in white bottle. Why? Because it's a plus oil, meaning you can add this to your coffee. So it means that you can actually ingest the essential oil. So that's why it's in a white bottle. But practically they're just the same oils. If you have the green bottle and the peppermint white or the plus bottle, they're actually the same content. So I love peppermint into my inhaler, or I add it to my tummy or my massage oil. So I make my own massage oil. So if I hire a masahista, ako na maghimo sa ako ang men. So nice kayo. Kung gusto mo kung halang kaayo, so with kids, if they have fever, I use peppermint to support their body. So I add a few drops into there. Kanang mag-sponge bath sila. So just a few drops kay halang-halang man. And then a lukewarm water, and then spread it all over the body. It gives us a cooling sensation, especially this summer. Init kayo, so I add a drop of peppermint into my palm. So like this siya. to charge the oil. Cut it into your mouth. That's peppermint. And then lemon. This is lemon. So I love lemon. Yeah. I think this is a vitality oil in the human experience set. I have a colored one, so you can add it into your glass of water if you want to detox. You use lemon. So this 5 ml lemon is actually 75 lemons. So dili ni siya. This is not the juice from the lemon, but the ring. So kuyog kaayo ni siya kay very powerful kaayo nga oil. This is 25 kabo. 25 pieces of essential oil. Lemon. So it's for cleansing, if you are cleaning or if you do general cleaning and then gusto ka malimpyugin ang room air, so you use lemon essential oil. And then frankincense. Yeah. Mahal na adlaw, very nice kaayo yung frankincense kay it's grounding when you are doing meditation or in prayer. You use frankincense, diffuse it, and then yeah, it's really helpful for kids for immune support, especially that when kids feel under the weather you are meditating or praying. We love frankincense because it's a grounding essential oil, meaning it helps you focus in the moment. It's actually an emotion, oil for emotion, and I like it also for immune support. Like if your kid is feeling under the weather, they're not okay. I use frankincense 1 to 2 drops and then add a carrier oil and put it on the soles of the feet. Next is digest. I like digest because it helps my digestion, better digestion. So I call this the Sharonian blend. This is actually a roller with digest and carrier oil. So I made this one during my trade fair booths, especially kay Pasko or Fiesta. So I made sure I have available rollers for Sharonian blend. So I add 10 drops of digest and fill the rest of the bottle with carrier oil. Tignan na siya, ha? Alright. I also like digest as really for my barado ilong. And I used to have really chronic sinusitis. So I use essential oils right now as natural remedy so that I can manage well. Put it on my sinus points. And there. So what we do is to charge the essential oil. We apply pad tip nail. Pad tip of the nail. Pad tip nail. So you can practice it. And then you can do that on our sinus points. Pad tip nail. So if you put essential oils onto your soles of your child's feet, you can also charge the essential oils using pad tip. We actually got that practice from the raindrop technique. So we have classes on raindrop technique, and if you want to learn more, if you remember, there are sessions and there's schedules available for that. Okay, next is RC. RC is actually the oil that made me believe young living. So one time I was taking good care of my firstborn, and it was during bedtime, so I diffused RC. So I was a stay-at-home mom, and then so walang bracket, so I just took good care of my firstborn. So I used the oil sparingly. So when I used RC, I was sleeping sound. So I left my 1-year-old playing inside the room. Although we are inside the room, I was really scared that I left her alone. And all because I was sleeping when I was diffusing RC. So I had really bad upper respiratory health. I had allergic rhinitis and sinusitis, so I was on antibiotics most of the time when I was in high school and in college. So when I had RC, it somehow relieved my respiratory tract. RC stands for respiratory comfort. So I think it helped me a lot, and that was the reason why that from 2017 up to now, I'm still using essential oils, and I still experience aha moments like that when I encounter every time I use essential oils. So we're here already with purification. So if you clean your room and then you just diffuse 1 to 2 drops of purification, purify the nasty stuff into your room. Okay, next is deep relief. So this is deep relief. Deep relief. So I like deep relief as a roller. And then I add 10 drops of peppermint and 10 drops of deep relief. So I roll it on my head, especially when I feel dehydrated and sakit na ako. So I drink lots of water. I add lemon to detoxify, and then I use my deep relief roller. And then thieves. So thieves, how do I use thieves? Yeah, during 2020 to 2022, during the peak of the pandemic, thieves was really helpful to support the body, especially those who were in quarantine. So there was a time that thieves went out of stock. So why is it called thieves? Because during the 15th century there was a plague, and then there were thieves who took advantage of those people who were sick. There was a village who got this nasty bug, and then there were thieves who did not get the disease. And then when they were caught, and then the king was asking, tell us what did you use para hindi kayo mahawa, wala mo na takdi, nanong na yung nga wala mo na unsa, and then I can give you a lighter sentence. Okay, so they used the herbs that are used in the teas bottle. Yeah, it has clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus radiata, and rosemary. So this is a blend of essential oils. So if lavender, lemon, peppermint, frankincense are oils that are actually single oils. So the rest of them, leaves, digest, valor, deep relief, purification, RCR, a blend of oils. So there are different essential oils inside the bottle. So that was thieves, and yeah. Up until now, we still use thieves when the kids are feeling under the weather. Kana may ubo nga by undang-undang. So we diffuse thieves 1 to 2 drops. Okay. I add oregano essential oil or lemon. That's really powerful, right? So if you only have thieves, you can have thieves alone. Okay, and then use the oils consistently so you can feel the results into your body. And then the last oil is Valor. It's almost April 9, araw ng kagitingan, the day of Valor. So this oil is actually the perfume of my sister, and some of the leaders in Young Living, I use this too. It smells really good. It can be your perfume. Yeah, it's an oil for your emotions. If you're feeling scared, if you feel anxious, just grab a Valor essential oil. It will really feel good. How to use this? Apply to desired area in case if it's too strong for you, just dilute it again with a roller and then add a few drops of carrier oil. So the carrier of oil or choice is V6 because it's very light in skin, it's not heavy, and doesn't smell bad. Hindi siya baka. So, kung ganahan mong manghaplas pero lailan mo sa baho, don't use other products. Use the Young Living essential oil. And then also for kids, I can. So that's inside the premium experience set. And that's what's inside my bag. If you want to know more about essential oils, just DM me or follow my page, Happy Oiling Mama by Pin. Or if you want to know more about being a prepper mom, or yeah, signs of the times, follow me and follow my group, Mother Pack. Just PM me so I can ask. That's all. Bye.